Hey there, today I'll show you how to fix Telegram not sending verification code. If you face this problem, just follow these steps. I hope you will be able to fix the problem. For this, first open your settings from your phone, then go to your connections, then go to mobile networks, then then enable the data roaming. Now go to network operators and then unselect the select automatically. It will show you now, it will show you now your available networks. Select your available networks now. Now go back to Telegram app and try to request a verification code. It might be fix your problem. If it doesn't work, then open your Play Store, then search for Telegram X. It is the different version of Telegram. Just install it and log in with the number which will fill the which you face the problem with, and then request for the verification code. If you still face the problem, then download another free VPN and activate it, and then you will be able to you need to apply for the verification code again. Maybe you have to you can fix the problem. So that's how you can fix Telegram not sending verification code issue. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like, and for more solution, get more solution tips, subscribe our channel.